Okay, for spelling, list A, number 1 is open. Please open your eyes. Open. Number 2 is even. The number 2 is an even number. Even. Number 3 is cable. The cable fell off of the wire. Cable. Number 4 is relax. Y'all need to relax. Relax. Number 5 is hotel. We went to Mount Rushmore and stayed in a hotel. Hotel. Number 6 is silent. I forgot to put my phone on silent. Silent. Number 7 is zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes. Zebra. Number 8 is paper. Do you have enough paper? Paper. Number 9 is unit. We are on Module 3, Unit 3. Unit. And number 10 is robot. I need a cleaning robot. Robot.